Very things they happen. No, very that man just went to China. Went to China and meet Mr. Rush. After when he came back, he come and tell us different story.
No.
And Mr. Rush turned against him, and very dark man turned against Mr. Rush. This story no clear. This story no clear at all. No clear. Well, I don't want to talk much about it, but no matter what you are going to do, use your sense. Use your sense. Even if you wanted to do business with Mr. Rush that very dark man just introduced us to, please use your sense. I hope everybody hear what very Dama was trying to explain in that video, in that one particular video that he made. Please, even if you wanted to do business with all those people that is staying in abroad, make sure that you apply your sense and your wisdom. Don't say that it's very Dama that introduced you to him. Don't say it's because of very dark man that make you to make business with Mr. Rush. What am I trying to say? Use your sense. Alright, thank you guys. See you on my next video.